when life breaks you, it doesn't do it all at once. It does it quietly through exhaustion that sleep doesn't fix, through hope that feels thinner every morning, through moments where you sit still and wonder how you became so tired of being strong. If that's where you are right now, let me say this first. You are not weak for feeling this way. You are human. And humans were never meant to carry everything alone. By the way, if this message is helping you grow and shift your mindset, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. I share powerful reminders and guidance every week, and I don't want you to miss anything that could push you forward on your journey. When you feel broken, the world often tells you to push through, to stay positive, to be grateful. But there are times when pushing is exactly what's hurting you. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is stop, sit with the pain, and admit, this is hard and I'm hurting. That honesty isn't failure, it's the beginning of healing. Life breaking you doesn't mean your story is over. It means a chapter ended in a way you didn't choose. And endings hurt, especially the ones that come without closure, without fairness, without explanation. But here's something important. Broken things are not useless things. A bone that breaks grows back stronger. Metal is shaped by heat. Even the night sky is most beautiful when it's dark enough for stars to appear. You don't have to figure out your entire life right now. You don't need a 5-year plan or a perfect version of yourself. All you need to do is survive today. Drink some water. Breathe slowly. Take one small step, any step that keeps you here. Survival is not glamorous, but it is powerful. Staying is an act of courage when leaving feels easier. When life breaks you, it strips away illusions. It shows you who stayed, what mattered, and what never truly served you. That clarity hurts, but it also frees you. You are allowed to let go of versions of yourself that were built only to survive pain. You are allowed to rebuild differently, gently, honestly, on your own terms. There will be days when you feel like you're moving backward. That doesn't erase your progress. Healing is not a straight line, it's a spiral. You revisit the same pain, but each time with a little more wisdom, a little more strength. Be patient with yourself. You're learning how to live again. If you feel empty, remember this. Emptiness is space, and space can be filled with rest, with meaning, with something new you can't yet imagine. You may not see the future clearly right now, but you don't need to see it to walk toward it. Faith isn't certainty. It's choosing to believe there is more ahead, even when you can't feel it. And please remember, you are not a burden for hurting. You are not dramatic for feeling deeply. You are not failing because you need help. Reach out if you can. Speak your pain out loud, even if your voice shakes. Let someone know you're struggling. Connection doesn't fix everything, but it reminds you that you exist beyond your pain. One day, maybe not soon, maybe not easily, you will look back at this version of yourself with tenderness. You will realize that the person who felt broken still got up, still breathed, still stayed. And that matters more than you know. So when life breaks you, don't ask, what's wrong with me? Ask instead, what is this pain trying to teach me about what I deserve? You deserve rest. You deserve peace. You deserve a life that feels like it belongs to you. And even if you can't believe that yet, stay. Stay for the version of you who hasn't arrived. Stay because this moment, painful as it is not the end. By the way, if this message is helping you grow and shift your mindset, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. I share powerful reminders and guidance every week, and I don't want you to miss anything that could push you forward on your journey. You are still here, and that means something powerful is still possible.